So, good evening, everyone. So, we are tackling about the moderating traits and the environmental factors. So, these two key elements influence how personality and environmental factors affects the entrepreneurial outcomes. So, first is entrepreneurial studies emphasize how personality traits and environment influence entrepreneurial behavior. So, however, researchers found that overlapping traits create confusion, highlighting the need to understand and moderating traits and environmental factors. So, for example, is two people may both be confident but only one succeeds because the environment supports their business idea. So, for example, is na ay duha ka tawo nga confident sila pero ang isa ra ang nag-succeed because supportive ang iyang environment while ang isa is dili supportive ang iyang environment. So environmental factors is very important talaga dahil isa ito sa mga reason why some entrepreneurs get successful in their risk about business. So, diri na pud ta sa the problem of trait overlap. So, many personality traits used in entrepreneurship research overlap with one another. So, this overlap causes multicollinearity, making it difficult to identify which traits truly influence entrepreneurial outcomes such as intention, entry, success, and growth. So, there are personality traits that overlap with each other. So, for example, optimism, when we say optimism, it is something that we believe that in the future kanang mag-success siya inana, and also self-efficacy kabalo naman ta na nga it is overcoming failures, na even though like imong business is moagi siya kalisod is nagstay gyapon ka nga strong and firm ka sa imong decisions nga ipadayon nimo. So kuan siya ang overlap with one another, mura siya like for example is sa pagluto. So parehas ra siya like sa pagluto kay wala ka kabalo og unsa ang ingredients nga nagpalami sa imong giluto, diba? So sa business mura ra pud siya sa business bitaw kay wala ka kabalo og ato nga personality traits ang reason kung ano nag-success ka sa imuhang business. So confusing siya usahay, which is mag-overlap talaga siya kasi wala ta kabalo og ato nga traits ang reason nganong nag-success ang usa ka entrepreneur. So diri na pud ta sa moderating traits. So moderating traits are variables that change or strengthen the relationship between personality and entrepreneurial outcomes. For example, optimism or self-efficacy can enhance how traits influence entrepreneurial success. So, optimism or self-efficacy can make the link between ambition and success stronger. So, halimbawa ana is kanang nay usa ka tawo nga naturally ambitious na siya pero kulang siya og confidence. So, naay possibility nga dili siya mag-start og business because kanang kulang siya og confidence, kay ambitious lang siya pero wala siya traits nga self-efficacy, dili siya confidence to start something new. Pero if kana nga person if that same person has high self-efficacy nga naa sila confidence nga mag-succeed sila in the future, so they are more likely to act. So pasabot lang anino nga ang traits is naa jud siya effect sa entrepreneurial outcomes. So So for you to get successful in your business or the innovation that you plan, dapat nga dili lang ka dapat nag possess og one personality traits. Need jud nimo og duha or something inana, kay especially like na kay self-efficacy og optimism. So kana nga both, if i-combine na sila, is mahimo na siyang powerful weapon nimo para mag-success ka in the future. So environmental and cultural factors. So entrepreneurial behavior is shaped by the environment and culture. Social norms, economic conditions, education, and support system all play roles in shaping how personality traits lead to entrepreneurial intention, entry, and success. So naanata diri no nga environment and cultural factors is very important sa entrepreneurial outcome. So sa economy, so if the economy is strong, entrepreneurs might feel more confidence to start a business. Okay? For example, if ikaw mag-start kag business, so need yun nimog support system, no? For example, mga funding, sinana, and also sa social norms, bitaw nimo if kanang naamanggoy uban nga ang environment nila is nag-encourage sila nga to do business, but some environment is kanang nag-encourage sila nga kuan na lang og stable jobs, kay kanang ang uban is dili sila mo take risk, kay 50-50 man gud ang possible. 50 ang possible nga mo succeed ka, and 50 also the possibility nga mo fail sab ka. So some environment really prefer nga mag stable job na lang. So ang uban sab is mag-prefer nga to do business. So it's really a great impact if ang environment nimo is supportive or not. So if sa values naman, if ang culture values sa environment is nag-value sila independence and innovation, so more likely makaproduce sila more entrepreneurs. So makita na to diri nga ang environment jud is nag-play sila crucial role sa isa ka entrepreneur, kay nara sa education. So naa naman tay karon mga education nga kuan og kanang about sa business. So inana ang kanang environment nga supportive, like sa atong government magkuan sila funding sa usa ka entrepreneur, o diba? So dako jud kay impact ang environment sa usa ka entrepreneur, kay dili man ka maka-start good og business if kanang ang imong environment is dili supportive, kay murag likely mo fail jud ka ana, kay kanang kuan man kanang dili man supportive ang imong environment. So dili na ta sa entrepreneurial outcomes. So entrepreneurial outcomes, moderating traits and environmental factors affect kay entrepreneurial outcomes. So intention first. So dire it is the desire to start a business. So dire is nagplan ka nga mag-start ka og business. Sa ikaduha naman is ang entry exit, so the decision to engage or withdraw. So ang example ani no is kanang nag-decide ka nga magtukod kag tindahan, mag-start kag tindahan, something inana, or restaurant bakaha. Pero after 1 year man good is murag kanang kuan na bitaw, kanang murag dili na kaayo mo kita ang imuhang gitukod nga restaurant. So after a year is nag-decide ka nga kuan na lang, ipasara na lang to nga restaurant nimo. So mo na entry exit, kanang mag-open ka, pero after a year is kanang matumal talaga yung kita ng tinayo mong business. So nag-decide ka nga mo exit na lang, ipasarado na lang ang imong business. So pag moingon tag success, it is achieving goals and profitability. So it means nga kung ano ang imong business is ning lago na siya, ning kumikita na siya, dayon ang imong mga empleyado is kanang masweldohan na nimo sila, ug ang ubang mga gastusin sa imuhang business, dayon syempre naadyoy mabilin nga profit nimo. So growth naman, it is the expansion and sustainability. So pag moingon tag expansion and sustainability, kanang murag success na jud kayo ang imong ang imong business. It means kanang naa na kay mo expand na ang imong business, naa na kay mga branches like sa Jollibee. Dili lang daghan na kay branches ang Jollibee, bisan asa na nga lugar makakita na tag Jollibee. So makaingon jud ta nga ang iyang business is naa gyud siya growth, kay nag-expand man na may mga laing branch. So understanding moderating traits and environmental factors helps explain why some entrepreneurs thrive while others do not. So at the end of this discussion, so kabalo na tanong nga ang moderating traits and environmental factors help explain nganong ang ubang entrepreneurs is nag-thrive sila ug ang uban is wala. So the interaction between personality and external influences is key to predicting entrepreneurial success and growth. So when we say kanang dapat dapat i-study sab nato og unsa nga nag-interact on how the environment interacts with the personality. So as entrepreneur man gud, dapat jud kanang naatay knowledge before ta mag-start sa atong business. So i-check sa nato ang environmental mga factors, and if we have also the personality traits to start a business. So moora to, and thank you.